Not the same? Not the same mug?
No.
What?
No good?
Good, but I don't like.
Can I taste?
Yes. It's good, but I don't like.
Yeah, it's sour. You know?
Acid.
Christmas drink. Very good.
Yes. I know. Apple juice.
Parang tea. Like, ano?
Chocolate drink daw.
Can I have kang?
Thank you.
Can I have chocolate drink? Can I have chocolate?
€11.90. Have a chocolate cream? 5 euros deposit for the
Aha! For the mag.
Yes.
She want to take video. It's okay?
From them, not from me.
Yeah.
Because I'm too beautiful.
Yeah. No, beautiful, handsome.
So when I finish the mug, I'll return it.
Everywhere, on the whole mug. Everybody who sells drinks, you can change it. Okay, and just wait here on the side, it's coming.
Bili rin ba ako?
If she's fast, she sleeps a little bit.
Kasi matayang.
And then there's a small thing.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Where are they? I'll go. Taste test. Yeah.
Yes. But it's 11 euro.
Taste test.
This.
€1.5
Wrapper.
Cream. It's really good, guys. Kaya lang mahal.
And about you? What about you? You have
Kinder Punch.
Kinder Punch. And Carolina too.
Yes.
Dream. Chocolate dream.
Dream come true. That's the store. So many lines.
What?
I'm taking video. I'm your photographer, videographer.
Why? Bye, Ruth.
Gagi.
No.
Pakita mo ang itsura. Bakit po parang puro cream?
Really good.
Stay niya. Sulitin mo yung ano mo.
No spoon.
Isel the Explorer.
Ang sarap. Sarap nga.
Go.
Sarap ng toppings.
Toppings lang. Yung cream lang. I know.
Or
She said it's good. But we think it's just the cream. Not the chocolate.
without cream.
Not good. Matamlay.
It's pure.
Guys, sinusulit niya yung
11.
yung 6.90. No!
11.
You can return the mag so that you can get back your 5 euro.
I-return ko to. Sayang ang 5 euro.
Di mo naman niya mauuwi. Dami natin mag.
Are you done eh?
Tsaka mamaya kung sino-sino na
Are you
gumamit.
done?
No.
Hoy, kung sino-sino na gumamit niyan. Crisel wants the balloon. But, sige ah.
Ate, balloon. Kids.
If you 5 years, minor bash, we have 98 years. No kids, old woman.
Not kids, old woman.
Yes,
How old?
98.
Yeah.
Minor bash. Dog. Dog. You are children.
Yes, ate.
Patrick, in Philippines, one balloon is only, magkano sa atin? 50 pesos lang, di ba?
50.
50 divided.
51.
25.
It's just,
Ay, no.
for 20 koron.
Sorry?
20 koron.
20?
Koron.
I'm done.
How much?
Sarap.
Okay, she's gonna bring back the mag. Radek, are you done? Ah, pila ka na dun, oh. They're finished. They're gonna bring back the mag.
Kailangan pa pumila mo, bakit?
Oh. Go. Takti na yan.
Go back.
Where? No? I have to as well.
Okay na?
Ate, 10 piso lang sa atin to yun.
Oo. Okay na?
Okay na, no?